Mga ka-Vatcher, what are you doing to my YouTube channel? And follow me by Tobias for NCGR, for Donna Barena, for Human Being, and Angel BB, for the creator TikTok influencers, us as singers. So, I was asking to my media here, to my followers, talk to me about the Philippines people. Sabi nila mag-artista daw ako, mag-extra daw ako sa mga artista. You know what? Hindi ko na kailangan mag-artista. I want to rather to other better the world about celebrity. Committed to our, whatever professional actors, actress, singers, but in BA Olympic is not working. It's very different. All stars about you're working or established. So, ang aking pinaglalaban, yung aking makuha ang mana ransom out of Philippines politics and what happened because this is war in China. As very long, right? And over the crisis and happy to China, happy to America, the Filipinos always believe their international that is very damaged kaya lahat ng bansa ngayon nag-iipal na rin at nakikialam at North rest of it is get our Asian wars, the China and Philippines one-on-one, and America is the battlefield. Hindi ko kailangan kontento na ako kung ano makukuha kong money ransom sa government. Just enjoy my life, the trouble, whatever. So my dreaming your money is very less because your age is coming to old, you have death, you enjoy because the God is coming soon in this earth. His revelation is for government. Other people it is corrupted and over attacked. To me, I'm loving you. Just don't always love living. Ginagamit nila yung love para mapasuko ako at hindi ko maituloy ang war and end time. Love is very poor. I think the love of God is love of yourself because it's heart. Always heart. It's a big problem for the other people. It's going to difficult and guilty. So because I have no access to it because a lot for my data and load for internet access because bakit ako mag-u-online para sa mga yan or whatever looking why you're going na sarili ko naman pera kung ginagamit ko sa load and Philippines internet or whatever is Rex, China's TikTok. The Philippines never banned the TikTok because all Filipino is poor. Wala silang trabaho at wala silang income dito sila kumukuha. Kaya pag iba niyan talaga there's damages. At wala din kayo magagawa dun kasi yan talaga nangyayari ngayon. Forever you corrupt, yun ang nangyayari lahat kayo corrupt, corruption, magnanakaw. Kaya ang mangyayari sa apps nyo is going to destroy. You're never stop, you're always access, you're always online, dami mong ginagaming apps for what going? Because gusto mo kumita ng pera, anything, right? If personal work, your money, yours never stop, your money is never satisfied for your income's money. Kung okay naman lang kinikita mo for your work and your profession, enough. Because our social better access people is a big problem. As revolution, kayong gumagawa ng revolution na to not me. Because this is the world of our people, or rather, as Philippines is a big issue to all their nationals for damages because this all Filipinos are poor. Mahihirap sila kaya ginagamit nila ang social media para makontrol ang kanilang bansa. We're going to international, going to Philippines, the Philippines going to international of doubly working. And so very bad, it's overrated. You can handle about your personal opinion. But anyway, yun ang point ko. Kasi, for personal to me about access, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, wala akong kinikita kahit piso dyan. At wala akong kinukuhang pera sa kanila. Because people's out to me and over there. Because I am into war. Because all people is guilty to me is never. Yan ang nangyari. Kaya ang followers ko is very small. Napakaunti lang ng followers ko. Kasi yung followers ko, yun lang naniniwala sa akin. First is ignoring to our problem, to miss posted for YouTube, whatever my apps. Pag ako nag-post ng mga bold, mga sex, mga love, ang bilis ng followers because people is very happy about the morality. Diyan sila masaya sa ganyang gawain. It's never handle, whatever, never uh, commitment to other your anything for it. Never abandoned for what going to investigating in you for assess because however to myself is to the interpreter for our words to about your opinion what you're going to your commented and messaging to about you manipulate yourself because however you're not get understanding but whoever is a love person is a love online it's a big issue. It's very created the big issue about the love person. The love online just other rather the other because it's talk to me about the people na ako daw ay better na love to each other. I not love to each other. I'm going to our meal or whatever superstore. I would huddle the part for going this guy. I'm looking good for this guy. Is very good or rich, handsome or whatever. Handle the figure. But I love them for the crush chain. Crush ko lang naman sila. Pero hindi ko ibibigyan buhay sa kanila. Who you are about this? And as sample a man or whatever, star, celebrity, actor, or the right to history of television or illusion movies, whatever going to sports. Sports are all talented is like a singer like me, whatever anything to other people's and for personal work. Because it's very funny. And always a problem, about that. It's very stupid. To me about because I am focused today as NBA player. I really hit because my team is Mob Mavericks for Locodon Shake and Dirt, for his problem to carry and back to the loca, as for our team is a love team. Those leakers about Austin Reeves, but the big USA is this big. And for anything of our fun and going to, assume it to me, I'm going to you and program to the talent. Kasi winawarningan ko lang naman talaga kayo. Kasi you know what, for this beginning the world, first stage, andito na tayo sa World War III sa end time. All life is very complicated. For the what you going to you're stronger to me so to fight in your life is going to lose because our laws your laws government you are fake. Ako talagang naniniwala sila sa akin na ako'y Christ, ako'y in a vacation for control about spirit, losing soul and dark for demonic you're higher because you're a rich soul money matter would anything to about the judgment because yun ang nakikita ko ngayon sa mundo for what going. I'm always posting to YouTube channel and well what happened to my country in the Philippines, is very never stop, it's very strong because of fear our people is died now in disaster. Just always fear because just not choices for me as a person because it's destroy. Kaya mas gugustuhin ng mga gobyerno yung mga tao na yan mamatay. Because guess what? For a state of death, pag namatay ang mga yan, if for anything na kayamanan ng mga gobyerno, what a leader, magkaroon sila ng anak, sinasalin para, to encourage about the person investing in earth as a leader, whatever, etc. Your competition about your profession, life, working. As a guilty of date. I never died for symptoms, whatever, medics, or causality, na gusto nilang mabuhay ng matagal kasi ayaw nilang mamatay kasi because right first stage going to hell about the rich people, bad people, moral people, addict people, all is to bad is not Christ salvation is not a Christ for working, it's a hill working and the devil and your stray strains of earth about the professional, your incomes, money, for and etc. So it's a vague moment to me. You how to manipulate, but the manipulate is under school regardless anything or school is real for learning anything. But you're always personal times million for your question. Always people is always exist. You know, I don't believe kasi narinig ko dito sa isang Pilipino sa Thailand na bakit daw ang mga Pilipino ay mga foreigner na nagte-thank you sila sa Lord na hindi naman na binigay ng Lord, binigay naman daw ng Satan yun for personal body and working about achieve the material world to the fame and anything na bakit pa daw nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon because Thailand and China or every country is Buddha na hindi naniniwala sa Christ are stronger for the demonic society. Philippines is a big Philippines naniniwala sila pero sa kanila ang sa kanila nakalitaw yung fake prophet yung bula ang propeta Pastor Kibuloy marami yan sa Amerika lumitaw daw yan ilang madami din mga 10 yatang ministry whatever around the world for careful about Matthew 10, 15, 18, 19 to Genesis for Sodom Gomorrah 29, 9 verse 9, 8, 11, 13, 16 then 20 in a hyper age about the prophecy verse I'm going to 30 before the verse 1 so yun nga yung point na yun is very difficult for healing to me. I'm always healing because this connection to the word is right. Because wala ako sa personal. Kailangan ko ng healing. Kailangan ko gumamit ng power for connection to the word about the social media versus connected or television, laughter or anything. Lumulusok naman talaga sa invisible. You know, it's access about that. So, because ngayon, Philippines, China, America is very Philippines say. Nadidigmaan na sila. Kaya, pag ang Philippines natalo ng China at Amerika, sigurado, pasasabugin ng China ang Philippine city. Look, the Ukraine is destroyed because the Russia is winning. Parang ganun mangyayari for a stronger, for legal world. The volley about this NATO ASEAN summit, whatever. It's a vague democrat to the world's damages. Right. Now, it's very personal today. Kaya lang naman ako talagang sinasabi nila ako always lose because the Christ is control to me. Alam niya mangyari na pag ako nakawala sa kapangyarihan na to, anything kahit sinong Pilipino dito sa Metro Manila, whatever the Philippines, pwede ko patayin. Kahit bus ko, pwede ko patayin for anything. Here is a killing to me about over the illegal, these Filipino people and abandon my life. Because I always believe, fear nila, kaya, ang fear not well for our Filipino is never, but Filipino is not. This is a both thing because wala naman silang alam Kasi ang alam nila, for anything as simply the word for investigating for life, for eternity. Kung nabuhay kang mahirap, lumaking mahirap, namatay kang mahirap, yun lang ang kanilang point. Whatever the international is like. Doon sila nag-access sa'yo. Hanggang doon ka lang. Pero pag, for anything, good looking about, there's negative facet and bad rich. Alam naman natin, ang mayayaman ay hirap makapasok sa karan ng Diyos. Susuot sila sa butas ng crime for struggling the world because it's a pride world. It's not a Christ pride for money, whatever lure, morality, whatever is a trust. And then, yung point na to is very, kasi na point, kahit may family, kahit ang pamilya ko, out sa akin, kapatid ko, whatever, kasi ako kahit pag hindi sila sumunod sa akin, madi-destroy sila. Pero, I never about my family because I love them as a freeing to my family to say because hindi nila alam at wala silang kakayahan for reaching na mas gusto nila maghanap buhay, kumita ng pera to increase about my family and my soul, my family, my sibling na hindi sila nakatapos ng pag-aaral, na gusto nila yung mga anak nila makatapos for eternity, for hardworking is health, the pain of for homelessness. Yun kasi ang nangyayari sa mga Filipino people. Kahit ako gano'n naman talaga ako, lumaki ko mahirap, pinanganak ko mahirap, kaya naman ako nagkakaroon ng history about the Christ. Because I want to go into ministry in the Philippines. Hindi ko sasabihin to a point of the judging as a sexuality. Sabi ko, oh, I want to going to open my Bible. Naintindihan ko, kahit pala tayong mga LGBT, pwede tayo makapasok ng kaharian ng heaven kung susundin natin ang batas for repentance about the Christ. It's like the Sodom Gomorrah. Yun ang nangyari eh. Sa patindi na patandi ang moral. Lalo ngayon, mangyayari ang raining fire in Israel and Jerusalem for Asian for Sodom Gomorrah kasi ngayon is very fitness over the hills felt the rate about the people in surgical. Kaya yung mga sexually nagpapasurgery, nagpapatanggal sila ng titi nila, papatanggal sila ng penis, dick, vulva, etc. What are the meaning of your penis and your vagina as a woman, etc. Anything ay hindi yun ay kalugod-lugod. Pinaulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa aking YouTube na yung mga trans danger na male or woman, wala na silang part of the Christ of the Bible. Tinakwil na sila at kinarurumihan, pinandidirian at kinasusuklaman. Yung mga lalaki, nagpakasal sa kapwa lalaki, babae, nagpakasal sa kapwa babae. You know, the Bible is very right. Conclusion, the Bible is not a government, you law of your government policy. Hindi naman, pag ang mga pastor na to ay pumapayag sa ganito, yan ay hindi totoo, yan ay pula propeta o morality for experience of sexuality for low soul, whatever, this ministry. Ibig sabihin, sila ay may mga parts sa sexual sex. Kaya pag-ingatan nyo rin yung mga ganyan kasi ako, maingat din ako whatever to hurt my broken because true, I am a virgin, kaya ako nag-religion dahil dyan. Hindi ako nag-boyfriend. We're going to Lord to me as discovered in the Philippines because behold to me as a right to sacrifice Christ just going in the judgment day of sexuality. I want to agree to repeat about 10 commitment for male and woman to who judge yours for command about investigating a new religion before your government. Dapat alam nila yan kung anong batas ng commitment, dapat yun ang naaayon sa batas ng gobyerno. Pero pag linabag nilang batas ng commitment ng gobyerno, what letter or over the world, na kasalukuyan na sila ay tiwalag sa kautusan ng Diyos. I want to call to Christ and call to land of our religion and destroy the city and destroy the nation and destroy the people who love all banking, all money, all devastated, lost. Okay, but it get to me so about my speech and experiences in the Philippines life and the body only because you're never to miss person. And follow me, subscribe, and notification bell and a bell to my YouTube channel. Share and click the button. Pindutin mo yung kalimbang and share. While ibig sabihin share, okay? Thank you.